Hey guys, this is Christian Proctor over at Genesis of South Bay, and today we're going to be going over the fingerprint identification. Alright guys, so this is standard on all the Genesis GV70s. This feature is pretty cool. It allows you to not have to carry your key with you all the time. Let me go ahead and show you how it's going to work. Alright guys, so when activating the fingerprint authentication, what you're going to make sure is you have both keys inside the vehicle. You're going to go ahead and click here for your user profile, fingerprint identification. We're going to put the pin. This is a generic pin for the video's usage. Add fingerprint. Okay, it's going to be just like your old school iPhones with the Touch ID. You're going to press this until it says 100%. What it's doing is gathering your fingerprint. Okay, you want to make sure you touch it soft. If you touch it too hard, it will not read it. Okay, but as you see, our fingerprint has now been set. So as you see, you guys, you have 3 items here: unlock profile, exit valet mode, and start the vehicle. These are all things you can activate by simply using your fingerprint. All right guys, when it's time to delete the fingerprint, you're going to go here to user profile. You're going to then type fingerprint identification. You're going to put in your PIN. Okay, and then you're going to delete the fingerprint. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, make sure you like and subscribe, and remember, with Proctor, there's no gamble.